Diving into the DeWalt, we're going to be testing it on the drill function here on levels 1, 2 and 3. DeWalt claim 450 RPM, 1300 and 2000 RPM through the gears. So this is level 1 on normal drill mode. Bang on 450 as claimed by DeWalt, that's fantastic. Let's go into number 2. One 338, fantastic. And now we're looking for 2000 RPM here. Bang on 2000, that's great from DeWalt. Testing the Ingco. In terms of RPM, on level 1 we're looking at 500 RPM, on level 2 it's 2000 RPM. It's gear number 1, it's on normal drilling. $480, not bad, 20 RPM short of what is claimed, nothing wrong there. Let's look for 2000 on the top setting now. Approximately 120 short of 2000 RPM, but not too bad there.